Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Batik is the work of Indonesian people, which is a combination art and technology by ancestors of Indonesian people. Indonesian batik can develop to a level that incomparable both in design or motif and process. One area in Indonesia, namely Sidoarjo, has a batik production house.
Each region had its own special food, and Sidoarjo is no different. Sidoarjo has lontong kupang as a typical food. Kupang is a marine animal like a small shellfish which is classified as a soft animal. Quote from the book Kupang Entrepreneurship. Kupang is live in groups and are often found at the bottom of muddy waters and the water close to the coast.
Therefore, in the honorable jury, allow me, Faradila Modi Putri Adina, and my partner,
Isaiah Izelaziz,
from State Senior High School 3 Sidoarjo, to present Kicaku, Kupang Shell Kitin Kitosan, Potomorko Bula Fasciata, as liquid filter synthetic batik dyes in Sidoarjo.
Then we are mentors of Indonesian Science Project Olympiad 2024 by Ms. Elia Biadera SPD and Mr. Denny Ainur Rahim MPD. So we have a problem formulation in it. 1. What is the relationship between the content of mussel cells and the content of batik liquid waste? 2. Can kupang cells be a solution to the problem of environmental pollution from liquid waste from batik Sidoarjo? And 3. How to influence mass and the time on Mount Kitosan to reduce batik liquid waste Sidoarjo?
So, this research has a purpose. 1. Identifying the relationship between the content of mussel shells and the content in batik liquid waste. 2. Identifying solutions to environmental pollution problems from batik liquid waste. 3. Analyze influences and time on Mount Kitosan to reduce Sidoarjo batik liquid waste.
Process beginning of Kicaku preparation. Fry the mussel cells at temperature 37 until 39 degrees Celsius. Put the mussel cells into a blender to crush them more finely. And soak the kupang cells water using 1 mol natrium hydroxide and constant stirring for 60 minutes. Mussel cell powder that has been soaked using 1 mol natrium hydroxide is rinsed using aqua dash until neutral. After it bursts, soak the can with 2 mol hydrogen chloride and stirring constantly for 120 minutes. And return using distilled water to neutral. Soak the can with 20% natrium hydroxide and stirring constantly for 60 minutes. Kupang cell Kitosan powder or Kicaku is obtained and dried with temperature sun 37 and 39 degrees Celsius until dry. Whether Kicaku is a available way to calculate the yield and Kicaku is ready used. Kicaku was tested and VTR spectrum to determine the success of forming Kitin Kitosan from
Research Kicaku testing on latex dyes. 1. Prepare the tools and materials needed. 2. Weigh the Kicaku according to the variables. 5 grams on the 3 glass, 10 grams on the 3 glass, and 15 grams on the 3 glass. Then dissolve latex with 0.1 gram of dye powder in 100 ml of hot water as a sample solutions that will be treated with Kicaku. Then label it A until I on 9 of 250 ml beakers. 5. Pour the latex solutions into the chemical glass containing the Kicaku powder provided. 6. Work starts with time variables of 60 minutes, 30 minutes, and finally 15 minutes. 7. Cut the filter paper into a circle according to the size of the panel. 8. Pour the strain into a plastic glass that has been labeled A until I after the specific time. 9. Also prepare the standard one-text solutions by making a one-text solutions at concentrations of 0.02, then 0.04, then 0.06, then 0.08, and 0.1%. 10. Tests were carried out using a UV spectrophotometer to determine the remaining concentration of one solution. 11. Measure the optimum wavelength at 0.06% standard solution. 12. Measure the absorbance in each standard solution with a UV spectrophotometer. Then, measure the result of the experimental sample with a UV spectrophotometer. Then, record the absorbance data with a UV spectrophotometer. 15. Calculate the residual concentration of Kicaku absorption. 16. Calculate the percentage reduction that occurs, and document all activities.
From the result of the experiment we have carried out, the following results are obtained. It is known that there is peak at wave number 3641,84 cm squared 1, which indicate the absence of NH as the main group of Kitosan, and the presence of 1442,72 cm squared 1, so the NH free basin fingerprint area of NH2 in Kitosan. This shows that Kitin Kitosan has been formed from the mussel cell called Kicaku.
The remaining dye concentrations was tested using a UV spectrophotometer in the laboratory to determine the concentrations of dye in the sample. First, to determine the optimum wavelength of Milan brand dye. The determinations of the optimum wavelength measured in the third standard solution, and it was found that the optimum wavelength for Milan brand dyes was 495,09 meters. This wavelength is then used to measure the absorption of the standard solution and sample solution.
The column above shows the remaining concentration of dye in each treatment. To ascertain how much the color has decreased, which indicates how much absorbed, a measurement is carried out with a UV spectrometer, and then the present reduction is calculated using the formula.
So, it can be seen that there is an interaction between Kichaku powder and the dye. The time variation shows that there is a decrease in the percent concentration of the dye. This is shown in the curve, which increases with each time variation, revealing that the longer the absorption time occurs, the greater the decrease. The longer the absorption time, the greater the amount of dye transferred to Kichaku powder. In the mass variations that occur, the greater the mass, the higher the decrease in the percentage of dye. This can be seen in the curve, which increases with each existing mass variation. This is because the greater the amount of Kichaku, the more chitosan available, which is able to absorb dye. Kupang shell contain chitin, which can be converted into chitosan with a yield of 24%. So there is a relationship that can absorb the heavy metal content in batik liquid waste.
Kupang cells that have been processed into Kichaku powder can be implanted to reduce batik liquid waste with a percentage obtained of 96%, and resulting is discrete in dye concentration.
The influence of mass and time amount of chitosan can be seen that using 15 grams for 60 minutes for 100 ml of dye sample is the best result for absorbing synthetic dyes. So, the longer the absorption time, the greater the amount of dye transferred to Kichaku powder and the greater the mass, the higher the percentage reduction in dye.
More or less, we thank you for your attention and apologize for any shortcoming. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.